Positive Grid Spark X. So this is the Control X, so this gives you a foot switch, which is also pretty nice. So let's install this as well along with the Spark 2. So here we have the Control X, which is cool. This is also a very nice chassis here. So you have these different buttons, and you can also add external expression pedals here through this external expression pedal jacks in, 2 of them, so you can have like your wah here as well, which is pretty cool. And then you can also turn on the power here and turn on the Bluetooth, so you can connect that. Right now it says connect to the app or to an amp, and it says it has the power on right there. So let's turn on the Bluetooth here and the Bluetooth connection here as well. And now that's going to pair. You can see the lights are flashing there. So now we can connect this to the app. Let me show that. So here you can add the Spark Control X. So I have the Control X right here, connect directly to the Spark 2. So now that will connect. Oh, I should push the Bluetooth button here on the Spark 2, so directly connect that to the Spark 2. Okay, so now the lights are flashing here on the Spark 2 and here on this one as well, and now we're already connected, so that only took like a second to connect that, and it's very cool. You have these cool lights on it, so you can see where it's connected. I think that's nice. So right now I have it on setting A. Right now I'm seeing like my amp right here. I can play on it, and then I can select like model B. So now I'm going to bank B here. And then I have like which of the 4 I've selected right here. So I can switch between those 2 banks. As you can see in the app, I'm going to bank A, now bank B, and then you can go to whichever preset you want. And then it changes here on the amp as well. So I can see which number I'm currently using. So this gives you that extra connectivity. It's very easy to pair this like in a second. It's very sturdy as well, so having this along with your amp, that just gives you the option of having like a foot pedal, and you don't need any additional multi-effects because you already have this amp and now the foot switch. So this combo, I would really recommend getting that. That gives you a lot more power, and it's very useful for like live performances as well, so you can switch to like your different effects. So getting this is just, well, you don't need any separate effects. You get the amp, you get the effects, and I really recommend this.